Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix alarms no sound on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration, and you will see turn on alarm sound. After turn on alarm sound, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on clock app and allow alarms. After allow alarms, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and click on clock and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix alarms no sound on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.